Interior Door Buying Guide. Whether you are replacing worn or broken doors, remodeling, or wanting to enhance the inside of your home, a new interior door offers a refreshing change. Let our guide help you choose the right interior door to complement your decor. Table of contents, things you to know before you buy: door styles, door finish, material, core type, flush or panel, door hardware, things to know before you buy. A standard door interior. Before purchasing a new interior door, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Door type. There are two types of interior doors: pre-hung and slab. A pre-hung door, which includes a frame-mounted door or hinges, is ready to install and use with prepared doorway. A slab door is basic, just the door, and doesn't include frame, hinges, or handset. Slab doors come unfinished, meaning they require painting or staining or finish and ready to hang. Size measurement. Door openings and dimensions are especially important when installing or replacing an interior door. When replacing an existing door with a pre-hung door, selecting a door that has the same dimensions as the existing one. Standard widths for interior doors are 24, 28, 30, 32, and 36 inches, while the height must be a minimum 80 inches. For a slab door, measure the width, height, and thickness of a door. For a pre-hung door, measure the width and height of the slab. Hanging a door swing or door swing is important for placement or door hardware. To determine hanging, standing on the outside of the door, aside from where you should, and such as the hallway facing the bedroom. The door types. Interior doors are available in various styles, giving an option to enhance every room in your home. Bomb, pocket, arcading, French, bifold, sliding, salon, coffee, door finish, pre-mud, stand, pre-finish, unfinished, material, the wooden molded composite, wood species. The engineered wood, PVC, core type, hollow core, cutting hollow core, solid door core. Flush door or panel, flush door or panel. Split jump, flat jump, door hardware, related articles.